We are walking with a treasure machine. Look here. DJ की बनाई था तो. Yeah, DJ की बनाई था. Come. Cái can lôi thạch cái lươn lôi thạch này. Can thạch bữa này. Jimmy tan tì cái lươn này.
Anh về si tren long này là lúc nào chỉ long nè Manipuri pidon ta guria tum te ning na rong du ni cái là nang lu long ki mati Itire hukan pahar mane Anglong ekreng Nila pahar mane muni tum thang ning joy no Karbi thang ke thek lu jara arati tota re o mana tota re arleng mane manu arasaya pier name dipugole tumare naam hol mangoli tumar mata e rong bong hai puhara e lukto hai Juga cumi oh. Jadi kena kerolo nena sorsalo ne. Kalau sa. Karbi ke war hur dal hukam pahar nila pahar poma war hur dalo. Salah karbi yang long ne butok.
Mana bu? Baru mana tamang. We are resting and eating lemon. We are eating lemons right here. Cumi mà, đến sao? Cumi mà. We are starting from here. See guys, we have a 3 building, that 1 and 2 and 3. Now he will start the tractor. All the unnecessary materials are brought from here. Look, all the waste material are pushing up. Look guys. Wow. All the waste material are kept separately from the purified paddy seed. the first building will be gonna finish, and after that we are going there, that one. We have the 3 buildings of our paddy, hoping that we will finish our harvesting today. All the paddy are going to finish up. Look, I don't know who are there. All the bags are kept there. After clean up this, we are trying to leave from here. Wow, wow, wow. And DJ ar ki banai tha ta. Tuk 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 tuk. Yeah, DJ ar ki banai na ta. Come, come, come. Look. Look guys, all the paddy are trying to put inside. All the paddy are putting inside the machine. Nice. All the workers are happily doing here. Look the speed of the paddy. Are keeping us from the mission. Incredible object is flying in the sky. Look, I don't know where the objects come from. Look. Again, the second building also gonna finish right here. All the paddies took the back up. Oi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now remaining that one building. The second one also finished. And that is the one. That is the first one. And this the last one. This is the second one. Now remaining the last one. After resting, we are trying to finish that building. Binso nang below that clan ka. Ini gari je thap to nang DJ ekdom bonai tha ta. Tuk tuk tuk. Boleh kutha ta. Deh. We all know that nowadays all the work are done with the technology. Applying with the technology. See. And now we are also using harvesting with a machine. This work like part time. So now I will ask from the workers how much they will get in per day. Oi koson lo nang hajira ma. Pilo mate kacirap dun ma. Kacirap dun. Ajir yadi. He's saying that he is helping for us. Chalo. Behind me they are preparing for the last walk. After that we will finish the harvesting paddy. Here we go, the last one. After that we will finish all the paddy. Look guys, see the paddy sheet. Come on here. All the paddy are putting and male are working togetherly here. We are harvesting properly here with the technology, applying with the technology. All the purified seed are kept here. We have a problem, guys, with the prices of bag. All the purified paddy seed are kept here. Look. All the waste material are pushing up. Look, guys. Wow. All the waste material are kept separately from the purified paddy seed. We are a crisis back. That's why we are keep here all the purified paddy seed. Oh yeah, man. Look. We have a loss here. We are completing two buildings. That one and the first one there, and the last one is here. So we are almost complete. Okay guys, now as you can see that we are almost to complete our analyzing paddy seed. And also look here, these are the purified seed, and all the paddy seed are come out from the machine, and some are putting the paddy inside the machine. Lapu, kalabi, lapu.
Kalabi pusi daw.
Kalabi dako, kalabi dak.
Daw. Vai. Ninguém.
Oh, hindi da pili.
Jadi along ne jadi nasane jadi no jiche jare kema nesane do e ho kema nesane do e jadi along ne jadi nasane jadi no jiche jare kema nesane do e ho kema nesane do e jadi along ne